Greetings, my leadership. This is the urban life in Durban, Babu Tokotela. I traveled to a place called KwaNtunjambile. This is a van that I'm using. I want you people to see this place. People to see this place. This place is somewhere in Greytown. They call it KwaNtunjambile. They call it KwaNtunjambile. I'll show you something that is very, very important. I'll show you something that is very, very important. Can you see there? Can you see there? Yes, that hole. That is a mountain, and there is that hole. They call it Ntunjambile. That is in Greytown. It's my first time to travel this far. Wow, I love this thing. I love this one. I love this one. I love this one. Yes. We travel in order to show you people. This footage is very rare. This footage, it is very rare. You can't find it anywhere else. You just cannot find it anywhere else. These are the houses at KwaNtunjambile. These are the houses. And these are the houses for people who lives under this mountain. Actually, this is a forest. It's not just a mountain. This is a forest. This is what to call KwaNtunjambile. This is what to call KwaNtunjambile. There's more to learn. There's more to learn, and there's more to see. There's more to learn, and there's more to see. This place is called KwaNtunjambile, and we are going to cross what is called uThukela. We are bound to cross the river called uThukela. Let us all zoom out Ntunjambile. That is uNtunjambile. You see? That is uNtunjambile. Let's drive again. We are driving this van. Let's go back. We are driving this van. I wish one day I can drive your van. This is what you call JAC. All the way from Durban. This is Babu Hotel. Call this number 082-459-1816. Tell me where to visit. I'll visit your place as well. I'll drive your car.